Heavy rains lashed the country's northern parishes Wednesday night into early Thursday morning, causing devastating floods from St. Ann to Trelawney.
Strong winds accompanying the rains led to disruption in the electricity supply in several parishes, leaving many cold and in the dark.
The floodwaters also washed debris into the road, causing a traffic nightmare in St. Ann. TVJ SHEMALA Mitchell visited the area today and now reports.
A trail of devastation. It all started Wednesday evening after heavy rain pelted the Garden Parish. This was the situation Thursday morning along the Runaway Bay Main Road in St. Ann. Flood waters covering a section of the roadway almost 4 feet high. This car parked at the Runaway Bay police station helped tell the tale. The water came as high as the steering wheel. Traffic jam in the area for hours as the police tried to clear the roadway. The last incident of this nature was on December 11, 2016. However, this is the worst the residents say they have ever seen. But that aside, the impact of the flood waters on residents' homes is greater. Mud plastering the floor and yards looking like mini ponds. ELAINE Johnson says she's been up from 3 Thursday morning helping her neighbor whose home was flooded. But while she was helping her neighbor, the flood waters started gushing over the wall onto her premises.
And by the time I could step up here and to step in, the water just catch me and dash me and I hang on to the door and all my slippers and everything, and I just go in and slam the grill. And then the chairs, everything start flowing and the water start going all over the place.
And this was pretty much the situation in several homes in Runaway Bay.
Some young people living across from my house, they were flooded out terribly. My uncle is flooded out.
Once again, fingers were pointed at the usual suspects, the town's drainage system.
I think the people should stop throwing the garbage in the area. You know, people drinking box drinks, throw it on the road, throw it so you just washed away and block the drainage.
The residents say several appeals have been made to the National Works Agency to address the problems with the drainage system in the area.
Because a 4th time he called them about this drainage and they haven't fixed it. And I'm going up to whatever NW, whatever, for the Prime Minister house. Me a got it because this is ridiculous.
The councillor, Winston Lawrence, is pointing fingers at the NWA for not doing a good job fixing the drains after the flooding earlier last year and in 2016. Meanwhile, chairman of the St. Ann Municipal Corporation, Michael BELNAVIS, says the corporation is trying to find a permanent fix.
What we're looking to do at this time is to clear the area with the debris and get some assistance from National Works Agency. See if we can do something with these drains here and along the Claremont Gully and the drain right at Runaway Bay here to see if we can have them widened in the event of, so we don't have any sort of recurrence of this type.
SHEMALA Mitchell, TVJ News.